go to your head.
It's like putting on socks after a shower. Pick it up. With the paper towel if you have to. Okay. Oh, I'm sweating. Alright. It's hot as bullshit. That doesn't fucking
What are you doing?
Huh?
What is that? Oh, that's the thing to your brake, brother?
Oh, I don't think that's ever been broken. Damn! I'm about to bust my fucking fucking old school, what do you call it? It's a torque wrench. You can see the little numbers. You can zoom in and out in that shit.
I don't know how.
Use your fingers. Should work. It's not gonna work. But get a little more length. Regardless, I'm the smartest and the worst, are they? There we go, that's how you do it. Bust that bitch off. I wish I had brake thing. Would clean the fuck out of all this. But I don't. So here we are. You know, you can talk too.
No.
No. You're supposed to be like my Morgan Freeman, bro.
I don't know what the fuck that even supposed to mean.
You look like young Morgan Freeman.
I do not. Oh, dude, I actually took my ancestry thing. Remember I told you I took it?
Yeah.
I forgot to like look at it for like 2 weeks, bro.
Yeah.
And I looked at it, and
Are you related to Morgan Freeman?
nah, it's like a. It's
that's foul.
but I was West African. And then
Makes sense.
West
in America.
West African, yeah, and then I'm more Spaniard than I am.
Black.
No, well I'm 35% from Spain and Portugal, and then I'm 19% indigenous American. That just means I'm Mexican.
Brake clean so bad.
That literally just means I'm Mexican, bro. When the Spaniards came and like conquered them, they had kids, and that's pretty much me, bro.
That shit's up. And this side's all nice. Unfortunate. This is a good brake too. Never mind. In my head right now, like a split second, I was like, wait, we're the wrong brake rotor. I was like, no, I can't.
What kind of road? Does it have drum brakes?
Huh?
What kind of brakes does it have? Just regular ones?
Brakes.
Okay.
They don't have good brakes.
Cause I know my Crown Vic had drum brakes in the back.
Oh, then yeah, they're disc brakes. Disc brakes front and rear. Which is apparently rare for the time. Oh, it's not so bad once you get all the dirty shit off. It's up so well, it's just so dirty.
Bro, how the f did you never had A1 sauce?
I just never have you.
But how?
I don't know. Some movies just don't. It's just like how you haven't seen like so many movies. It's just you didn't. It's nothing crazy. While we're here, let's see if we can bust this off.
Bro, do you know the cameraman for AMP?
This shit was hand loose. But it's my I can't even sway bar.
Did you know that the AMP cameraman, bro, he's getting arrested for child, whatever.
Child what?
Predator shit.
Being a predator?
Yeah, bro. He was talking to minors and shit.
Don't do that.
I know.
It's pretty avoidable.
I know, bro.
It's really easy to get around. You just don't. Oh my god.
I thought I was going a different way, bro. It's pretty easy to get around.
Oh.
Losing me.
Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Well, you can stop recording if you want.
Many months later.
Welcome back, guys. So catch you back up. Went to meet up with the homeboys, and no one's there. Told me they were there, and then they go, "Oh, my bad. I just said that so they would leave one of my homeboys' house. That he was already up here. He was not. I was the first one up. I've been lied to and betrayed. Now I'm cruising back down. Shit sucks. Other than that, it's not too bad of a drive. Deciphering whether or not I should keep talking or I should just video the whole way down. Nice cruise little drive back. Maybe this will be my outro. I don't know. We'll find out. I just ate some canes. The shit was hella good. Let me know how you feel about that. Woo! Drive with one hand while distracted is not ideal. Wow, that was great. So yeah, this is what I guess you could call my home course. One day I'll have a POV. I need to get a headband and a proper camera. I have a handheld camera. It's lightweight, but it's not ideal, I would say. It kind of sucks to not be able to shift or like steer properly 100%. I usually steer with my right hand, ironically. Left hand power drive. Wow, that came out weird. Anywho, we should be coming back up on them now soon. So I'll leave you off where I leave you off. Look at that pretty ass view. Holy shit. Get that shot. That's where I'll leave you guys. Oh no, give me love.
Lefties! Show me your lefties!
Damn.
I thought he hit your car. You okay?
I don't care about that. I thought from this perspective, it looked like it hit my car.
Oh, you too, huh? Yeah. Like, hey,
We're riding tonight. It's your car.
Oh, he's going shit back. Wow.
Yeah, he's smart. Go home.
Stupid.